Hi, this is Becky Ivins, and I've been selling real estate for 40 years. Our team of highly trained professionals, along with our solid marketing plan, has sold thousands and thousands of homes over Central Oklahoma. This is how we do it. So what's the best way to follow up with a lead? Well, immediately would be my first answer. Immediately, and do it with knowledge of what they're calling about. If someone from your office has taken a call and you know an address and they want to know, can you sell my house and what will it sell for? Well, do it 3 or 4 minutes of research before you call them back, but do call them right away. Nobody likes to wait if they're wanting your help. I mean, if you go into a store to buy something, you don't want to have to look around 30 minutes for a salesperson to help you find what it is you're looking for. And you want that salesperson to have the knowledge of the product that they're selling. And in real estate, even though we're called real estate salespeople, we're a little bit more of a service industry than we are a sales industry. We need to be able to know pretty much what that house is going to sell for, at least what the neighborhood homes have sold for when we call them back. So do your research. That's the first thing. You follow up anymore. Sometimes people don't even answer their phone if they don't recognize the number. So I'll give a shot at a text. I'll say, this is Becky Ivins, I want to talk to you. Do you have a minute to give me a call at this number? And then hopefully they will call me back. And if you have an email, always send an email with your contact information. That way they know how to find you. Always have a link to your web page on your email so that they will be able to go and see how it is you do business. What kind of web presence do you have? So how do you answer a real estate lead? Immediately, with competency, and you have to care about your client or your prospective client and be able to give them the service they deserve. So if you need leads to follow up on and you're out there and you're selling real estate, I want you to call me because I do have good leads. They're solid leads. And I want you to be able to help me service my clients. 722-3232 is my number. If you have a question for me on my video blog, just give me a call at 722-3232 or send me an email, Becky@BeckyIvins.com. I'm happy to answer your question.